As fellow homeowners, we know your roof can represent a significant and important home investment that deserves only the best. Thanks for considering an Owens Corning roofing system. The combination of the Owens Corning brand and the Platinum Preferred contractor you're working with can deliver a material difference for your home and peace of mind for your family. Our network represents an exclusive group of top roofers, each of whom meet our strict eligibility requirements. We're proud of the products we make and the professionals who install them. And when your neighbors, friends, and family see a brand new roof on your home, we want you to be proud too.
Hi, I'm Don Dew, proud owner of TLC Restoration based in Talmadge, Ohio. We have provided quality residential roofing services since 2010 right in your backyard. As an Owens Corning Roofing Platinum Preferred contractor, we're proud of our status and the brand that we help represent. We believe that choosing the right contractor is as important as choosing the right shingle.
So why should you choose us? We're a local business that gives back to the community. We pride ourselves on developing personal relationships with homeowners. You're not just a number with TLC, you're family. Visit us at tlcdoesitall.com to learn more.